Today, let's introduce our IP network audio 8-zone amplifier. Let's start with the front panel. Here we can see the power indicator, the 24 volts output indicator, and the master volume control knob below. On the left side is the power switch, and in the center is a touchscreen display that provides access to all major functions. It supports both one-way broadcasting and two-way intercom communication by tapping on the call option. We can initiate calls to specific zones. How does it work? The rear panel allows connection with a microphone, enabling live paging to any selected zone. For intercom, you also input the corresponding zone code to establish a two-way communication link. The system supports USB playback as well. You can plug in a USB drive to play audio content with options such as single track, repeat, shuffle play, sequential play, volume control. It also includes select play, which functions the same as on-demand operations from an IP terminal or server. Over here is the zoning control panel, where you can turn on or off the speakers in all 8 zones individually. These buttons are for stop, delete, and check. Here, we can view information such as the IP, address, and call code of the device. This is the rear interface board of the DI97820 IP 8-zone amplifier. Here you can see the main 100 volts constant voltage output, which is used to connect standard constant voltage speakers. Here, the output is divided into 8 zones, each with its own terminal block for individual zone control. This part is the 24 volts DC output, which can be used to connect to external 24 volts volume controller panels. It is shown here that this unit supports short circuit trigger, input, and output. Here is the output sensitivity switch, allowing to select between 0.775 volts and 1 volt. There are 2 O input ports and 1 O output port. It can adjust the total volume and then assist in inputting the volume. There are 2 sets of microphone volume input interfaces here. There's also a USB port on the rear panel for playing MP3 files directly from a USB flash drive. And finally, this is the Ethernet port, used to connect the amplifier to the LAN.